Hello, friends. Hope you are all well. Today, we are going to discuss a very profound thought. If we can work on this thought, it can bring immense amount of peace in our life, and it also has the power to liberate us. There was a wise man who was sitting with his group of friends. A man walks to him and accuses him of the bitter experiences he has had with him. The wise man did not protest and simply says, "You are right." After some time, another man walks in and expresses his gratitude for the good things he has learned from him in his life. He says he is thankful to him. The wise man gives a smile and says, "You are right." The man leaves. The group of men sitting beside this wise man ask him that you have agreed to both the men who came to you. You simply accepted what both had to say to you. Please explain what is right. The wise man replied that both the men expressed their own opinions about me. It doesn't change anything in me. I am who I am. It doesn't affect me at all. It is just their opinion of how they see things. In life, not everyone is going to like us. Not everyone is going to accept us or appreciate us. In fact, there will be many who will dislike us, will judge us, will criticize us, and that's just the way it is. We can't please everyone. Now, certainly, we should be considerate about others. We should be respectful to others, and we should be watchful of our own behavior. And if someone criticizes us, it may be worth reflecting upon to see if perhaps there is something we may need to address in our behavior. But even if we are the kindest, gentlest, sweetest, and most respectful person on this planet, there will simply be going to be those who will find all kind of reasons of not to like us. And we will have to accept that. It's better to simply allow others the freedom to not to like us, to allow them the freedom to disagree with us, to allow them the freedom to judge us, to think of less of us. After all, everyone is entitled to their own opinion, even if that opinion is entirely baseless. But by allowing them the freedom to dislike us, what we actually doing is recognizing that they don't need our permission. They are going to do it whether we like it or not, whether we permit them or not. But what we really doing is letting go of the need to control what others think about us, because we can't control that. So no point in wasting our finite time and heart trying to convince them. So just allow others to have their opinions. We don't have to agree to them. We don't have to accept to what they say. All we are doing is recognizing that they have the right to think whatever they want to think. And we are respecting that freedom. And it's such a liberating thing. When we begin to do this, when we give up needing to have other people's approval or needing to control what others think of us, we find our own freedom in that. What we also find is that most people who don't like us are really struggling in their own life to even like themselves. They may be feeling deeply miserable inside them. We don't know what their journey is. So it's important for us to let it go and move on. As soon as we let go of the need for them to like us, we find peace. They can say whatever they want, and that only affects them, and it doesn't have to affect us at all. We must move on. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out our own inner voice. What really and most important is whether we like ourselves or not, whether we accept ourselves or not, whether we appreciate ourselves or not, and nothing what others say or think about us. And if some aspect of us needs to be improved, then evaluate it, work on it, and improve on it. We have to see that for our own self. And when we do that, we stop negative vibes of other people to affect us emotionally. Life is so much more pleasant that way. We become free to contribute more to the world and society. We feel inspired and passionate to share with the world the gifts of creativity and our compassion. We will be able to follow our heart and intuition. And anyone who doesn't appreciate that, that's their loss. Politely wave them along and we move away as well. The world is also filled with those who will love us. Seek to share our path with those who recognize us. Appreciate our gifts of who we are. So, be who you are. Hope you have liked today's message. Thank you for all your encouragement to our channel and for your amazing feedbacks and comments. Your support, likes, and sharing help me to make more videos. Thank you.